Hey guys, just wanted to bring you a couple new perfumes that I have, and also a big thank you for hanging in there with me. I know I haven't been uploading recently. I've been on here engaging and on my other platforms on YouTube and everything engaging, but I've been busy. Nothing wrong, thank goodness. I can't complain about that. Everything's going well. I just been very busy. I got two teenage girls at home and they keep me busy. But I wanted to show you a couple things that I've gotten from Macy's recently. I had to choose this. And I was interested in this because, I mean, who isn't always looking for a better, you know, foundation? So I chose this one. Looks like they have a nice variety of shades here. It also came with, I think this is like an expanded sample pack. Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. Nice. If you hear that in the background, that's my coffee brewing. And this, okay, this don't look like it's my shade, but we'll see. Anyway, on to the MAC perfumes. Once I heard of these, I was always interested in what they may smell like. And so they were having, I think they're 15% off. And so I got these for a pretty good price. And plus I had some Macy's cash to use. This is the Candy Yum Yum. And the top notes are guava. The heart is cherry blossom and iris flower. The base is cotton candy and vanilla. It's cute. Oh, look. That's cute. Let's see what it smells like. Very pretty. It is fresh. I would consider this a freshie. Has kind of like an aquatic note. You can definitely smell that guava. On the paper, I'm not getting much cotton candy, but it's definitely sweet. You can smell that musk, like a musk in there. Musk isn't listed, but I definitely get a musk. The cherry blossom, I don't know, maybe these notes will come out more on skin, but it's definitely a spring, summer type of fragrance. You know what? It does kind of remind me of Bath and Body Works Cherry Blossom with a tropical note to it, which I do like Bath and Body Works Cherry Blossom. I do. That's cute. It's cute and fun. So I think this was the 1.7 ounce, I think. Yes, 1.7 ounce. The second one is the Crème de Nude. I didn't get the turquoise. Maybe add that to the collection at a later date. And for this one, the top note is neroli. The heart is caramel, musk, and suede. The base is Madagascar, vanilla, and ambrette. These are some cute little bottles. And I think when they came out back in, I think they came out like 2016 or something, originally, that they had lipsticks and stuff to go with it. Okay, that's interesting. You definitely get the musk right off the bat. caramel and musk. A little bit of the vanilla. The ambrette, or it's also called muskmellow. Yeah. Nice little cozy fragrance. Try this one on this. Ooh, that muskish. Ooh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, this is more like a skin, skin but better scent to me. Very pretty. Once it gets on the skin, on the paper, it's not as nice to me. On the skin, very pretty. Very pretty vanilla, a vanilla musk scent. That's what I would classify it as. So, all right, that's these two, Matte Candy Yum Yum and Crème de Nude. Thanks for watching.